Are we going to have a continuation for FRCB and seeing the $1? Because the price has been dumping down since a few months right now, and we went until the bottom here, almost the 16 cents. We got great news, the price went up and then accumulated, then we had the squeeze finally over the 50 cents. So let's dive deeper and discuss what's going on with FRCB. So look with me closely. We have the 5068 is the breakout zone. We had that breakout zone breaking around our live streaming, and we saw this. We said if we held the 50, we're gonna have a continuation. You see what happened here? Price tested the 50, went down, then held, and then we squeezed until the 72. Guess what? The price has been accumulating for almost beginning of June, and we have the first signal for a squeeze in Monday this week. Yes, that's why we have a huge pump here. Then price went down, and again today we have a great pump. Let me just check how much we did. On Monday we did almost 30%, and now we did almost 60%. You see what's happening here? The price is dropping down because here we have a huge gap to fill. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. We have a huge gap, guys. Huge gap before the $1. That's why the price is going down, because we have many people holding FRCB and they have a huge bag. So this is not short sellers, but people have bought FRCB before and they have a huge bag and they want to exit with minimum amount of loss. So we have to be strategic here. Okay, so the idea here, we have to watch for a confirmation for a reversal and strength, because this gap, when we have to fill it, we need to confirm there is a huge whale buying the bottom. Because if we don't have a huge whale buying the bottom, when we have a selling pressure coming from below, we're gonna crash down. So if there's selling pressure from above, however, from this selling pressure, there's someone actually absorbing this selling pressure, which is the whale eating everything coming up from above, we're gonna have a reversal and the price continuation up. And how are we gonna find this reaction? Of course, we have to watch out for this reaction. Let me just lower this area around this level. Yes, the 45. Yeah, now the 45 should be our bottom price, not the 34, not the 24, is the 45. Now we have a huge selling pressure. Let me see how much we did already down. We did almost 20%, so this is normal. As long as we hold the 45 is normal. If we broke the 45, is not normal and sell off and short attack. So now in the time being, we have a pullback. This is good in order to have a re-entry for this trade. So we need to hold this area over the 45, then going where? Of course, not the $1, is the 89 cents. This is where we're gonna have another selling pressure like this one. So if we reverse from here, we're gonna have the same reaction happen here, where we have another hidden seller to drop the price down around the 70. This is the reaction that we should expect for tomorrow market, for Friday, for FRCB. We're gonna do update, of course, in pre-market for FRCB and many stocks that have a chance to pump on our Patreon and Discord, because we always do chart analysis update here on our Discord and our Patreon as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.